Hello all, good morning. Welcome to Sri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are based at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with all the sarees and dress materials. So we do deal with offline and online also, but we are stopping the offline for now. So then hoping everyone is very safe and secured, and wish everything comes back to normal and everyone gets cured. I'm very wishing and hoping for the days to come back to normal very soon. So using the slides and the updates, we are trying to be in stay connected mode and also in the active mode. We don't want to go back and come back, so that I'm just going with the lives and the updates in the regular regular ways. So today I'm having some muslin silk sarees. It's a Kora muslin silk sarees. Okay, all of them are priced at 1350. During this lockdown period, we are accepting only for the blockings. Okay, once the situation turns to normal, you can pay for the things that you have blocked and we will be dispatching you as soon as possible. So that's how we are planning. So today I will show with the collections now. Okay, so this is a muslin silk saree. Okay, I have some 6 to 7 sarees. Okay, so this is a pink with blue combination. So this is a pink with blue combination. It's a very full of weaving, as you know all the muslin silks are weave. So this is the border. It has a big size border in one end and a small size border in the other end. You have this kind of floral designs all over the body. This is a muslin silk saree priced at 1350, and this is the pallu. You have a contrast golden pallu, and the blouse piece will be coming in a blue color as like the pallu design. So this is a saree one. Okay, this is a muslin silk saree. Okay, all of them are very rich collections. All of the sarees are priced at 1350. So this is pink with blue combination. Each and every saree will be having a different colors and the design. So I will open up one after the other sarees and I will show you. So this is like a window shopping only. So you can see the collections. If you like, you can ask for the blocking. So once the situation becomes to normal, you can pay and you can ask for the dispatch. This is the second one. It's a blackish grey with blue combination. So it's a silver color. Okay, silver grey color with blue combination. This is the second saree. All of them are lightweight sarees. These are all lightweight but delicate sarees. These are muslin silk, so it will be very delicate. It has the beaches golden color. Okay, it's not pure gold. It has the beach and gold combination mixed together. That kind of design and the pallu and the blouse. This is the blouse piece. It's a contrast blue color. Okay, the blue shade will be a little different in each and every saree, whatever is coming in the blue. So this is a blouse piece and the saree. The pallu is, this is the pallu. So this is the second saree. It's a silver grey with blue combination. Okay, this is the second saree. Whoever wants to have any enquiries and if you have any interest to place the orders, you can please take the screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. I have given my WhatsApp direct link in the description also. So this is the third one. It's a kind of a Rama green, sea green. It's a sea green with blue combination. So it's a sea green with blue combination. It has a very embossed pattern. It's the design and the body will be a very lighter shaded. Okay, this will be the border. One side this saree alone has the silver zari in the border. Okay, rest of them will be having the golden zari, but this saree alone have the silver zari in the borders. Okay, and this is the pallu. In the pallu, it is a thread woven. Okay, this is a blue patterned pallu, and this is the blouse piece. And the blouse piece also comes with the sea green with silver color embossed. Hope you can able to see the design. It's a silver and blue design embossed. In the back, it's a weaving. Okay, so this is the weaving. You can see. So this is the blouse piece you will be getting, and this is the pallu, and this is the sari. It's a sea green with a blue and silver zari pattern. A very very lovely sari. All of them are very very lightweight. Dry clean alone is recommended. So I will move with the next one. The shipping charges, as you all know, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu, and rest of India it is 100. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product cost and the shipping cost. This is a orange, dark orange with blue combination. The blue shader will be different in each and every pattern. So it has this kind of tilaham designed together. So it's a very very lovely design and a rich look also. And this is the pallu. Okay, it's a kind of a orange only, but it's a yellow and orange mixed pallu. And the blouse piece is again contrast. It's a yellow shade, as like the pallu shade will be a light yellowish orange shade. And this is the sari. This is a very rich look sari, priced at 1350. So I'm moving to the next one. So it's a mehendi green with black combination. Mehendi green with black combination. This has the same size of borders in both the ends, and the design is very different also. It's a full floral design. It's a mehendi green color with a black combination, and this is the pallu. It's a goldenish pallu. And the blouse is also golden and black combination. So this is the sari. This is the full look of the sari. If you have any orders or enquiries, please take the screenshot for the further enquiries. My WhatsApp number is 91505 56870. So I have mentioned the direct link for WhatsApp also, so that you can able to contact me without saving my number. So the next one is a peach with blue combination. So this again has a bigger size border on one end, and the lower size and the smaller size border on the other end. It's a lovely peach with blue color. All of the fabric is muslin silk. Okay, very delicate sari. Okay, this is the sari pallu. And the blouse piece, this is the blouse piece. Okay, it has both dual shaded. It's a blue and peach mixed together with a big border. Okay, so this is the blouse piece, and this is the sari. The sari, blouse piece, and the pallu. This is a sari. So please take the screenshot for further enquiries. So the shader of the blue is a little brighter from the video, which is visible. Okay. So a lovely light green with parrot green with pink combination, an attractive color combination. So this is the sari. The details, I hope the details will be very clearly visible. It's all weaved. Okay. And this is a parrot green with pink combination. Okay, this is a pink combination, a bright pink combination. This is the color. Okay. And this is the pallu. It's a golden and green combined. And the blouse piece comes contrast. It's a pink blouse. And this is the sari. So all of the saris are priced at 1350. Shipping charges is extra. 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product cost and the shipping cost. So these are the saris which I have for today's live. So I will show you all the sari collections in the whole overall view. So these are the saris which I have shown you in detail. If you want more pictures, please take the screenshot and send me for more details. Resellers are also welcome with decent margin. So all of them are singles. We are based at Sadasivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. So these are the 7 sarees which I have showed you today. All of them are priced at 1350. So these are the sarees which I have shown. If you want any more details, you can please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me. So this is the full details which I have shown. So please take the screenshot. Don't give me the details for if you are coming up for the enquiries. It will be easier if you are giving me this sarees screenshot. So we deal with this dress materials and sarees both. So that's all guys. I will be coming up with the next show in another some few days. So that's all for today's live. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Be connected. Stay safe. Thank you.